Imagine stepping into a home where the rugged charm of rustic design meets the sleek elegance of modern aesthetics. Picture a space where warm wooden textures and contemporary lines create a serene retreat from the outside world. Welcome to the world of modern rustic design, a style that seamlessly blends the natural, earthy elements of the past with the clean, refined sensibilities of today. In this video, we'll explore how this unique design approach crafts an atmosphere of comfort, tranquility, and timeless appeal. Join us as we dive into the essence of modern rustic living, where every detail invites you to pause, breathe, and embrace the harmony between the old and the new. Modern rustic design captures the heart of simplicity and warmth. It's a style that takes the raw beauty of rustic materials, like reclaimed wood, stone, and metal, and infuses it with a clean, modern sensibility. This design philosophy is all about creating spaces that are both grounded and open, where natural textures and contemporary lines come together in a seamless dance. At its core, modern rustic design is about embracing the beauty of imperfections. It's a celebration of natural materials in their most authentic form, paired with modern aesthetics that enhance rather than overshadow. The result is a space that feels lived in yet refined, where every element contributes to an atmosphere of relaxed elegance. One of the most striking features of modern rustic design is its use of natural materials. Wood, stone, and metal are not just accents, but are integral to the overall aesthetic. These materials bring a sense of warmth and authenticity to the space. Imagine the rich textures of a wooden beam contrasting with sleek, modern finishes, or the earthy tones of stone set against minimalist decor. These natural elements are more than just design choices. They evoke a connection to the outdoors and a sense of permanence. They create an atmosphere that feels both stable and nurturing, inviting you to unwind and reconnect with the natural world. Modern rustic design excels in its ability to balance the old with the new. It's about finding harmony between the rugged and the refined. This balance is achieved through thoughtful contrasts. Think a contemporary kitchen with rustic wooden cabinetry, or a sleek, modern living room adorned with vintage-inspired furnishings. This fusion of styles creates a space that feels dynamic, yet cohesive. The modern elements provide a clean, fresh backdrop, while the rustic touches add depth and character. This interplay creates a mood that is both calming and invigorating, making the space feel both timeless and fresh. Modern rustic design is synonymous with comfort and serenity. The use of natural materials and warm tones creates a sense of calm, making it an ideal style for spaces meant for relaxation. Imagine a living room with a large, inviting sofa surrounded by wooden accents and soft, natural textiles. It's a space where every detail is designed to make you feel at ease. The atmosphere is one of understated luxury, where comfort is paramount and every element contributes to a serene, welcoming environment. This feeling of tranquility is enhanced by the open, airy layouts typical of modern rustic homes, which invite you to linger and enjoy the space. One of the most appealing aspects of modern rustic design is its flexibility. It allows for personal expression through the use of unique, handcrafted elements and personalized decor. Whether it's a vintage rug, handmade pottery, or custom wooden furniture, these personal touches add layers of meaning and character to the space. This aspect of modern rustic design makes it incredibly versatile. It's a style that can be tailored to reflect your personal tastes and experiences, creating a home that feels uniquely yours, while still embracing the timeless appeal of rustic elegance. The emotional impact of modern rustic design is profound. It's a style that evokes feelings of comfort, stability, and connection. The use of natural materials and the balance between modern and rustic elements create a space that feels both grounding and uplifting. It's a place where you can escape from the chaos of everyday life and find solace in a thoughtfully curated environment. This design style fosters a deep sense of peace and contentment. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in simplicity and that modern elegance and rustic charm can coexist in perfect harmony. Modern rustic design is more than just a trend. It's a timeless approach to creating spaces that are both beautiful and functional. By blending the warmth of rustic materials with the sleekness of modern design, it creates environments that are inviting, serene, and uniquely personal. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of modern rustic design. If you find yourself inspired by the harmony and comfort of this style, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Visionary Designs, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you incorporate modern rustic elements into your own space. Stay tuned for more design inspiration and home transformation ideas.